Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how you use your phone to pay for things. First, ensure near-field communication, or NFC, is enabled in your phone settings. This technology allows your device to communicate with payment terminals. Next, open your phone's digital wallet app, such as Google Wallet or Apple Pay, and securely add your credit or debit cards. You can typically add up to 8 or more cards. Finally, select a default card for even faster payments. Making a payment is incredibly simple. Once you're ready to pay, unlock your phone using your preferred method, whether it's your fingerprint, Face ID, or a passcode. Then, hold the top of your phone very close, typically within 2 to 5 centimeters, to the contactless payment terminal. You'll usually see a confirmation on your screen and hear a beep, indicating a successful transaction. It's much quicker than swiping a card. Security is a top priority with phone payments. Your actual card numbers are never stored on your device or shared with the merchant. Instead, each transaction uses a unique, encrypted token, making it incredibly difficult for fraudsters to intercept your information. Furthermore, every payment requires your biometric authentication, like a fingerprint or face scan, or your passcode, adding an extra layer of protection to your financial data. The benefits of using your phone to pay are numerous. You gain incredible convenience, often leaving your physical wallet behind. Checkout times are significantly faster, typically under 5 seconds, streamlining your shopping experience. Plus, you can easily track your spending and manage all your cards directly within the digital wallet app. It's a modern, efficient, and secure way to handle your daily purchases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.